Do you currently have learning activities built out in Google Slides? Did you know that with one click of a button, you can quickly and easily push those over into Kami? And then you can either build out individual activities for students. Students can have words read aloud to them. You can record, kids can record, they can even work collaboratively, but they can't change each other's annotations. Let's take a look at some of the possibilities when you combine Google Slides with Kami for the win. Let's use this science slideshow as an example. Many teachers have activities and information built in Google Slides for students. However, when we make copies of a Google slideshow for students, the problem becomes that students are able to inadvertently move elements on the page around, which can be disruptive to the learning process. So, by simply going up to the top and finding the Kami button, we can click on this button and quickly and easily push the slideshow in to Kami. Now, this convert file dialog box has appeared. Each of these is an older version of the same slideshow. So if I'm a teacher, maybe I used this with a previous class or in a previous year. What I'm going to do right now, for the purpose of this example, is to head down to where it says convert to a new file, and then I'll choose this purple convert button. As you can see, now the slideshow has been pushed over into Kami. If students were to click on the select tool and try to select any of the elements that are on the page, these elements are now flattened. They can't be moved inadvertently or on purpose. However, students now have access to a wide variety of tools that aren't found in Google Slides. If you'll follow my mouse over to the left-hand side, you'll notice that there's a read aloud option. Students can highlight a section of text on a page, and the words can be read to them.
How does Earth's surface change rapidly?
It's important to note that if this text were written in another language, the read aloud tool reads in many different languages. Additionally, we have options for translate as well. So if students are English learners or multilingual learners, they can have a section of text translated into the appropriate language. Then the read aloud tool is built in here as well. Let's use another copy of this same assignment to take a look at additional options. If you'll notice here in the margin, the teacher has recorded her voice and created voice comments. These voice comments can be a wonderful scaffold for students. In the first voice comment, she just welcomes students to the assignment.
Welcome to this exploration of how the Earth's surface changes rapidly.
Some teachers use this function to read text that's on the page for their students. They might prefer that the students hear the instructions read in their voice instead of using the read aloud tool, but either option is available. Additionally, there can be links that are created to other activities. Teachers can also create videos. So in this video, the teacher is showing students what to do.
Remember to read all of the text on each page.
It's important to note that with this little button here, this small thumbnail of a video can be expanded and it can be full screen. Let's scroll down to look at additional options. With each voice comment or video comment, closed captions are an option. This little white icon can be clicked on, and then you'll see that there are closed captions available for students who need to see the words as well as hear them, or to support students that have hearing difficulties. Additionally, it's important to note that YouTube videos can also be placed on any of the pages in this Kami file. These are just some of the many options that you have whenever you bring a Google slideshow into Kami. If you have any questions about any of the ideas we've explored in this video or anything else with Kami, we hope you won't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.